I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Yeah, this is gonna be a video about power steering fluid leak. See that? This line, power steering line, it's got leaks. See that? You see how wet it is? We're about to see where it's leaking at and fix the problem. It looks like it's this bottom clamp and this clamp up here. So what I'm gonna do is try to replace those two clamps. I know I'm gonna lose some fluid. I'm gonna try to see, man, how I could catch some fluid. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some brake part cleaner and we're gonna try to spray that down. Yeah, all that grease, we're gonna try to spray that down. So a lot of grease on there. A lot of grease. A lot. It's gunked up pretty good too. Real good. But I know it's leaking out of here because the customer said that they gotta put fluid. And you could tell right here. This clamp. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this top clamp right here with a regular clamp right here. Cause it's real loose. You see this how you could turn this and you could see stuff is coming out right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this clamp. And I might go ahead and change the bottom clamp as well. Just so it could stop leaking. Alrighty. So like I'm telling you is, these are two clamps that's on here right now, the squeezable kind. But this whole thing is turning when I put this clamp right here. So it's like it's not clamping down enough up here, and it's leaking down, going all the way down here. What I'm gonna do is try to see if I reseat this clamp, because right now it's right here and it's barely moving. So I'm gonna put it back on and just put the clamps to a different location to see if that will stop the leak also, just so I won't have to change the clamps. Sometimes it's just the location of where the clamp is that it's not really sealing pretty good. Somebody could have been down here before, and I know somebody was. Yes, like I was telling you, all I'm gonna do is, you know, I had a leak, I reposition the clamps. See these clamps? I squeeze them off and I reposition. Now, this is not turning like it was. So that part might have been worn out where that was. So I just reposition the top one and I reposition the bottom one. And I'm going to go from there and see if its leak has stopped. You could go ahead and do the same. That might help somebody. Instead of you going and you replacing clamps, you might just need to replace the clamp good on the bottom and then see if it stops the leak. All right, that's the end of this video. Power steering leak coming out the reservoir. Until the next one, big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John. Big up to St. Croix, the capital of my island. Massive. To the next one. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, man. It's free. Tell a friend, like, comment, and share. You gotta do that, man. Like this shit. Already. To the next one.